Today we will be learning how to find the total surface area of a cube using C. So we'll start with hashtag include stdio.h and hashtag include conio.h void main brackets, and then we'll start the program with curly bracket. We will take an integer a, then we'll ask the user to enter the side of the cube for which he or she wants to find the total surface area. Okay. Now we will scan for the value the user enters. So we are scanning here for an integer type value, and we'll assign the value to a, the integer we have taken. Now we will enter the mathematical formula to find the total surface area of cube, and for that we have to add one more integer b. Okay, so b is equals to 6a square, which is the total surface area of cube. So we will be entering 6 into a. Then we'll print the total surface area of the cube. Okay, so total surface area, I'm sorry, of cube is equals to percentage d, as is it is an integer type value. We have not taken float values for decimals. You can enter only whole number using this program, and we'll enter the value of b here, get ch, and here we are done with our program. So now we will compile it. Yeah, it is 0 errors. Okay, then I'll run it. So we have done a mistake here. We'll go back. Now we will enter one more function, clear screen, to remove the unwanted elements from our run screen. Okay, now we'll compile it, run it again, and here let I enter 2, and here we got the total surface area. So that's how you can do it.